Good afternoon. Welcome to the Yippee Skippy Puppet Theater and Fractured Fables, presented by Book and Puppet Company. And happy Thanksgiving and happy holidays. And we're just still gathering people here. Hello, everybody. Okay. Good afternoon. Today we're going to have a special presentation hosted by this puppy of the very famous story of what is it?
The shepherdess dog.
The shepherdess dog.
Who cried wolf.
Who cried wolf. Okay, I better do a separate announcement of that. Announcing the shepherdess dog who cried wolf. Do I have a customer? Oh, I have a customer, yes.
I don't know where my sheep are.
Oh no, the sheep are missing. I'll go and look in the store.
I'll look in the store. I'll see. Hey, you guys, could you help me find my sheep? All you have to do is make a noise like a sheep, like this. Bah, 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 bah. Oh, keep making it louder, louder. Bah, bah, bah. Oh, look, it's a sheep. Meh, meh. It worked. Thank you. This is my sheep. I'm just a very beginning shepherdess dog. So I only have one sheep and it's a baby. Do you have a baby sheep? You do? You do? Everybody should have a baby sheep. Like Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, meh, meh. No! Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. And I don't know what that means, but I don't like it. Meh. Don't go here. Meh. All right, this is my lamb.
What a beautiful lamb. Isn't this a beautiful lamb?
And we're gonna go up into this high meadow so my lamb can eat sweet new grass and buttercups. Meh. Meh. My lamb is very spoiled. Meh. Meh. Come on, lamb. Meh.
Okay, they're going into the high meadow. I'll play my alpenhorn. But they have these alpenhorns in the high meadows. There it goes. I mean, it could be a Tibetan monk's horn instead. Oh.
Here's the high meadow, so eat as much sweet grass and buttercups as you like. Meh, meh, meh. No, you can't have any jelly beans. Meh, meh. Just go wander around the meadow and eat. Meh, meh. I'm gonna take a little nap.
Uh-oh.
Meh.
You shouldn't take a nap if you're taking care of the sheep, especially if they're going to look for jelly beans. Do you think that your sheep would like to eat a jelly bean? I hope everything's okay.
What is this? Oh! Wolf! No, I'm not a wolf. Oh, I thought you were a wolf. No, am I a wolf?
Is this a wolf?
No.
A what? A fox?
Yes, you see, the people know I'm a fox. Oh.
A fox?
Well, so you don't have to worry about anything. I don't have to worry about anything because it's a fox, not a wolf.
Yeah.
Right. So just tell me, where is your lamb? Huh, you knew I had a lamb? Oh, but I saw you coming up here, and I said, oh, that little puppy shepherdess dog really needs some help taking care of her lamb, so I will come help. Yes, well, I don't need any help because my lamb is... Where's my lamb? Oh, where's my lamb? Oh, you've lost your lamb already, have you? I haven't lost my lamb. I just don't know where she is. Oh, well, I'll help you find her. Tell me what she looks like. Well, she's little, but kind of big. Yes. And plump, but kind of skinny. Yes. And white and fluffy. Yes. And very, very cute and delicious. No, not delicious. Definitely not delicious. All right, I'll help you find her. Oh, I hope that fox can find my lamb. Do you think I should go look for my lamb myself?
Yes.
Maybe I should just take another nap.
Yes. Oh.
You think I should just take another nap?
Another nap? Yeah. Time for another nap?
Yes, I'll take another nap.
Look for the lamb?
Fox looks for my lamb. All right.
Oh no, this puppy is taking another nap. Oh.
What are you?
I don't know. I don't know what I am.
What? What is it? A hippo!
No.
Not a
No,
hippo?
I'm not a hippo.
A what? A wolf!
A wolf? Well, sort of.
Maybe it's a whippo or a wolf.
And whenever I am, I'm here.
I think I must be having a dream.
This is a dream. Are you having a dream right now? But you are having a dream. Are you having a dream right now? Nobody's having a dream.
I am a dream.
You're a dream?
Yes.
Well, why are you here?
I'm here to tell you to wake up.
Wake up?
Yes, that wolf is going to eat your lamb.
That's not a wolf.
I mean fox. It's a fox.
You can't even get its species right. Why should I listen to you?
Because I'm in a dream, and you know dreams are important.
This is a dream?
Okay, well, I don't want to wake up right now. I'm enjoying sleeping.
Well then, I'll make it so you can enjoy your dream.
Stop it!
It's a tickle attack.
Stop it!
In a dream.
Oh, that weird dream wolf was tickling me.
A dream wolf
My
was...
lamb! I better go find my lamb.
Is it too late? Yes? Oh no, it's too late! It's too late. Wait a minute. This is like too late adventure music. Oh.
Hello. Oh, hello. Who are you? Oh, I'm a baby wolf cub.
A baby wolf cub?
Baby wolf cub? Yeah, who are you? I'm a baby lamb. Oh, do you want to play with me? Yes. What do you want to play? Let's play. Lamb and wolf. Oh, okay. Okay, you sit there and I'll pretend to hunt you. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Okay, I'm gonna hide. Oh, this is fun. That was fun. Yeah, that was fun. Now you pretend to be the lamb and I'll be the wolf. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna hide. This is fun. I'm kind of scared. Oh, that was fun. Yeah. I think we might be best friends. Yeah, I think we might be best friends. Want to take a nap? Yeah, I do. Me too.
Oh, they're best friends. The wolf and the lamb are best friends now. Yay! The wolf and the lamb are best friends.
Lammy! Lammy, where are you? Lammy, I never should have gone to sleep when I was supposed to be taking care of you. Oh, you bad wolf! You bad wolf! What have you done with my lamb? Well, I did not find your lamb. You liar! You ate my lamb. Well, no, I didn't. I really didn't. I didn't find her. I couldn't find her anywhere. Oh, look, there's the lamb tracks now. I thought I was zeroing in on it. Look, the lamb tracks go over there to that cave. Oh, let's go and find out. It's dark in here. Let's see if we can find that lamb. Oh! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing with that wolf cub? Oh, what are you doing with that lamb? I was just playing. We were just playing. Come out of here right this instant. You should never, ever play with a wolf. He was just a cub. What do you think? Should the lamb be allowed to play with the wolf cub?
Should the lamb be allowed to
Yes,
play with the
yes.
wolf cub?
Yeah, and then one day we'll be best friends, and then when we're out into the meadow and the wolves come attacking us and they're gonna eat me, then one of them will stop and say, "Wait, I can't eat you! You were my best friend when I was a baby!" Really? Yes. And then they won't eat me.
Whoa!
Oh, that's good. Okay, that sounds good. Every lamb should play with a wolf cub.
Yay! So the moral of the story is every lamb should play with a wolf cub when they're little so they can be friends when they're grown-ups.
Yeah. Sounds good.
And thank you for coming for Fractured Fables! And see you next time. Bye!